Hi everyone, this is Darcy and welcome to the best skin of your life in 30 days. In this series, I'm going to be following the ZIIP app plan, the best skin of your life in 30 days, showing you real-time demonstrations as well as my before and afters so you can see which kind of results you can get. Today is day 3 and day 2 was a break, so there was no treatment that day. And I'll leave the link to day 1 if you want to check that out. And I would also love if you can join me in this challenge, so make sure to comment below if you're going to join me. The ZIIP Halo is a very unique microcurrent device that combines microcurrent with nanocurrent. If you want more information about the ZIIP, make sure to check on the description box below for my ZIIP playlist with tips and many tutorials, because on this series we're going to focus on the 30-day challenge. So now let's get to it. The treatment of today is Founder's favorite and is honestly one of my favorite treatments as well, because it uses nanocurrent to really help your skin quality. So let's read more about the treatment today. So you won't feel a thing, it is a very gentle current, but you will notice it all. Energizing nanocurrent syncs with your body to deliver suspiciously good results. Make this pro-worthy treatment part of your regimen for noticeably smoother texture and tighter skin that only gets better over time. Once you discover the power of nanocurrent, there's no going back. And the ZIIP tips are: the goal of this treatment is the cumulative skin texture improvement. The results is highly effective, long-lasting smoothing effects, and the current is only nanocurrent, and the intensity is a delicate sensation, and the level is easy. For this treatment, I'm using the ZIIP Silver Gel. On a fully cleansed face, make sure you apply the ZIIP Gel all over on your eyelids, behind your ears, all over your neck, even on your lips, you can apply it. And the Silver Gel is one of my favorite gels. It is a great gel, especially if you're acne-prone skin. So now, let's get to it. To start the treatment, just press Start Treatment and turn on your ZIIP on the bottom here. And now let's get started. We already have the gel everywhere, so we're gonna get started. And she starts, oh yeah, make sure you do not do on the thyroid area. And this is a very easy treatment that you can do all over your face, but be careful not to do on the thyroid area. Now you see the ZIIP is glowing, and you can start on your neck. And it's a free form treatment, so you can pretty much do any move you like, and it's very easy. There's nothing, there's no way to do anything wrong. You can even do it under your eyes, you can do it on your eyebrows, on your forehead, and you're using nanocurrent. Nanocurrent is a very gentle current, and this is not going to lift the muscles. This is working on your skin quality, and there's no wrong way of doing it. There's no, specific thing that you can do. You can focus on your eye. She does this very cool thing too, that just kind of like bob around your eye area and the forehead. But you can pretty much do anything you want and focus on the areas that you have, dark spots or any concerns. It's great to cover as much skin as possible, and make sure, the only thing you have to keep sure is that both probes are always in contact with the whole skin. And Melanie gives great tips too on her videos, but this treatment is pretty much free form, so you can do anything you want with it, and you don't really feel the treatment because, again, we're not lifting the muscle. We're working on the skin quality. This is a great treatment to do even when you're watching TV. I forgot you can include your lips as well. Just make sure you have the probes always on. Don't forget your neck. And when it beeps, it will be signaling to go to the other side. But it's a very relaxing treatment. Again, there's nothing, there's no wrong way of doing it. Make sure you include the under eye, even on your under the brow. You can do horizontal movements, vertical movements. Just follow along what you like. You can even include your nose too. and you don't want to break the connection. So just make sure you always have both gloves on. Oh, my nose is itchy, sorry. It's very, very soothing. Any beeps? It's probably gonna be beeping soon. Just vibrates occasionally. Just keep moving the device, covering as much tissue as possible, having the gloves in contact with the skin the whole time. You can include the nose too, and the lips. So these are all movements you can do. And this is not working the muscle, but it's working the skin quality. The only thing to avoid is thyroid, but you can do it under the chin as well. Oh, and by the way, guys, the ZIIP video is not synced to your ZIIP, so sometimes your ZIIP may beep sooner than hers. You just follow along. You can pause you can even hold in certain areas too, if you like. Move it slower if you like. You can go as slow or as fast as you like. Also do it under the chin. Now that it beeps, you go to the other side. So slowly on the neck. And again, the treatment is not synced to hers, but now she just switched. So the video is there just to give you guidance, and that's why I like doing these tutorials too, because then I can share my experience with you as well. And you do the same thing you did on the other side. Try to cover as much skin area as possible. And again, whatever is between the probes is what's getting the nanocurrent. You can do under your eyebrow, under your eyes. I'm also going to include this redness I have on my nose that I think is a breakout. You can also include your nose. It's free form. Don't forget to include your lips. By the way, this is also a great treatment if you are using other devices that are drying to your skin, such as the Neuro laser, which I also have a review on it, that works amazing but can be drying to your skin. This is a great treatment to combine with the Neuro laser or LED lights, because LED lights can also be drying to skin sometimes if you use it as often. And this is a great complement to those treatments because the nanocurrent, sorry about that, because because the nanocurrent helps also to stimulate collagen and elastin. So combining with other treatments such as LED lights or laser, radio frequency, or any other tools that you have will increase the results from those tools and will really help to keep your skin quality in good quality. I love what she does, this bobbing thing here. So she goes like that and it's like a circle. It's just like a nice soothing massage. The nanocurrent, you should never feel anything. It's super gentle. Again, you're working with the skin. It's signaling your skin to produce collagen and elastin. I'm gonna work a little bit on my forehead too. If you have forehead wrinkles, you can also do this. Again, it's a free form treatment. I'm just gonna give you ideas as well as things you can do. You can focus on that. On here. I'm not on the eyelids. I'm right underneath my eyebrow right there. And then under your eyes. And then she's doing on the cheeks. If you want to hug your cheeks in between the probes like that. Also under your chin. And you keep doing it until the machine turns off. This is also a great treatment to do watching TV, because there's really, you don't even need a mirror to do this treatment. You can just relax and do your thing. And the more you use this treatment, you really feel even more results with long-term use. I'm in an office building right now, so if you hear other people, I apologize, because I am in a building, so sometimes people talk so loud on the phone. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I can hear my next door office being really loud. So you just do keep moving until it turns off. And I'm really excited to do this treatment for you guys and this challenge. So comment below if you're joining me on this challenge. What are you excited about? What are the areas that concerns you? Because on this 30-day challenge, it should address a lot of concerns like skin quality, lifting, and that's it. I'm gonna take off the excess gel and I'll be right back. Just finished the treatment, I washed up my face, and this is the immediate results. I feel my skin is smooth and soft, and even my fine lines are a little smoothed out. There's favorite is something that is very unique to the ZIIP. By using the nanocurrent, you'll see long-term results even better. If you want to join me on this challenge, please comment below if you started, how you're feeling, share your thoughts and results with us as well. Day 4 is a break, so I'll come back on day 5, and I'll always leave all the links on the description box below so you can follow along with the challenge. And if you're interested on the ZIIP Halo, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you on day 5.